We have the 10, 20, 40 kit, which is for the last gen Ford Explorer. It fits all the trim levels, so you don't have to worry if you have an XLT or Lariat or whatever. And with it, we get the front spacers. They've got an offset. It's half a degree of camber. And then the stock part has a half degree of camber. We have another video that explains how to align that. It also comes with all your 10mm hardware, Banachar studs. This is the rear part. The rear is a coil spring, so this part goes above the rubber spring isolator, that's stock. And you'll need the shock bracket for the rear suspension also. The front does not need a shock bracket because of course it's a strut, it's all built together. These brackets here are the sway bar link extensions. When we lift a McPherson strut vehicle, we have to make the sway bar links essentially shorter, and we do that with this bracket to relocate it. And the hardware for those brackets is right here. This is the shock hardware. And with this, you can get a bigger tire in your truck. Some people are running like a 275 40 22 or a 265 60 18. Fun fact, this chassis for the Ford Explorer is also used on the Ford Interceptor police vehicle, and it's shared with the Ford Mustang, the Volvo XC90, Ford Flex, all sorts of them. The main challenge people have is understanding which way to turn the front spacer to get the camber the way they want. Like I said, we've already shot another video for that. You can watch that. But the idea is we're trying to reclaim some of the positive camber we get when we lift the vehicle up with the offset here. As always, with every vehicle, once you lift it, you'll have to set the alignment again. And you should take 3 to 4 hours to install this, plus the alignment.